What's going on, guys? I'm headed to pick up my new friend. He just joined the team, our fishing team at Southeastern. I'm heading to pick him up right now to go out to a lake he's never been to. I've only been to once, Lake Murray. I posted a little short video on it because last time I went there, kind of forgot all my GoPro stuff in the truck. So I had one battery and it died pretty quickly after I got there. Anyways, so I'm taking him out there and taking Ray. I'll post a link to his channel down below. But I'm taking him out there as well. He's gonna meet us there, but hopefully we can get on some good bass.
The old butt pad. I'm king of the world. Going to this ledge. Ah! I got scared. Why would you get scared?
Get him.
Yes, sir.
Got him? Oh yeah. He's a little one, but he's a fish. Get him in the boat.
I'm trying. I don't see him. I was a little small.
White guy.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, buddy. Mr. Hopping Frog. Told you this deep. Ah, I almost hooked myself.
The deep is 10 foot, huh?
Quit moving. Ah!
I get a picture of me and get a picture of you, sir.
Little one.
Piece of fuck.
What?
They all falling down.
Oh, he didn't land his, but he got bit.
Well, I lost one and got one on the shatters.
You wasn't such an amateur. Look at that. Look at that. Any size to him?
Yeah, bigger than yours.
Think so?
Oh yeah. Just because I caught him.
Little largy.
Look at that belly on that dude, man.
That's funny. I've never caught a large about that small on this lake. They're feeding. Well, they kind of got a mixed
Good God.
fat fish. Go to camera. Show
Oh,
the camera.
I gotta show your camera? Yeah.
I gotta put a show together.
I guess I'll show yours too, man.
Drop it. Open your mouth.
Dude, Ray over here. It's his own lake. He don't even know where to go to fish anymore. Oh, wait, here's our boy Cameron. Yeah, he'll talk a lot. We'll break him into these camera things. For some reason, I'm letting Ray drop a boat right now. I don't know. We got a lot down here in the background sometimes, man, but Jesus.
Yeah. Wow! It was right there!
I knew it was somewhere over there, man. I couldn't see.
Hold on. You hooked the rock. Amateur! I just had to.
We'll try that one again.
That's
Trying to be smart here and get me a little mocha frappe at McDonald's. But
What can I do for you?
hey, can I get a medium mocha frappe? And that'd be it.
Okay, your total will be 0.5%.
Thank you. Now, let's take the boat through the drive-through. Hopefully, I won't snag anything. I'm gonna make this truck wait.